Hey folks, this is Shetz, and we're looking at angle bisectors today. And an angle bisector is a ray, so this segment right here, that's going to be a ray. It starts here, keeps on going. It divides the angle into two congruent adjacent angles so that this little angle and this little angle are congruent. They're exactly the same. They're next to each other. And if we continue down, if a point, I'm going to call it X right here, this point X, if it is on, notice the word, on the angle bisector, then it is equidistant from the sides of the angle. So XA and XC are both 4 at a perpendicular. That's the shortest distance. That's what this theorem says, that if X is on this ray, then it's equidistant from the sides. Both sides, X to the angle, they're both 4. And also vice versa. Notice what it says right here. If X is on the angle bisector, there and is therefore equidistant from the sides. That's what this theorem says. And if we know it is equidistant from the sides, then it must lie on the angle bisector. Here, A is 8 away from this side of the angle, and A is 8 away from this side of the angle. Therefore, A has to lie on the angle bisector, and if this angle is 40, then this angle X has to be 40. If we look down here, notice X is equidistant from this side, and X is equidistant from this side at a perpendicular. You can see the hash marks, so X has to be on the angle bisector. If this angle is 70, this angle has to be 70, and there it is right there. Okay, I can see both of these angles are 38 degrees. We do have perpendicular, so this blue point must be equidistant from the sides, which means 3x equals 12. Divide by 3, you get a 4. Same thing here. Look at this point. It's equidistant from the side at a perpendicular. That's 5. And it's equidistant from this side at a perpendicular. That's 5. Since these two are equal, this point lies on the angle bisector, and I know these two have to equal each other. When I set them equal to each other, we get 4x equals 2x plus 20. Subtract 2x from both sides, you get 2x, and divide by 2, and you're going to get a 10. So there you go, folks. When we go over to the next page, we're going to have this page for homework, and that'll be slide 10. I'll have a little Google quiz for you. There you go. Thanks, folks. We're keeping it short.